from second year BPT, here to explain the topic of manual muscle testing of biceps muscles. So, it's a topic of exercise therapy. So, what the manual muscle testing for the biceps muscle is performed to assist the strength and endurance and functional integrity of elbow flexion, right? The primary muscle is the bicep brachii. The biceps brachii is responsible for elbow flexion and the forearm supination and inverted by the musculocutaneous nerve, that is C5 and C6. During MMT, the patient is asked to flex the elbow and against the gravity and manual resistance, while the examiner evaluates the muscle strength using the standard grading, that is the 0 to 5 grading. You all know that is Oxford scale. This test helps the physiotherapist identify the strength of the muscles, muscle weakness, motor rehabilitation, and plan to appropriate treatment, right? So, the prime muscles are bicep brachii, you all know. Then its action is obviously elbow flexion. Then what the nerve supply is musculocutaneous nerve, and the MMT grade we use that 0 to 5 scale, that is Oxford scale. Now here to explain the topic of MMT for biceps brachii. So we all know we follow the Oxford grading. So Oxford grading starts from 0 to 5. In 5 there is no contraction. In 1 there is flickering contraction. In 2 grading, we ask the patient to flex their elbow towards the gravity. In 3 grading, against the gravity. In 4, we ask patient to flex their elbow and we put the minimal resistance. In 5, we ask patient to flex their elbow and apply the maximum resistance. So I will demonstrate how to do it. So first we will start from the grade 3. So we ask patient to just flex their elbow. Now in 4, we put the minimum resistance and ask patient to flex the elbow. So here we put the minimal resistance. In grade 5 we put the maximum resistance. The method is same. So this is grade 5. Now in the grade 2 we ask patient to put the hand against the gravity, means to abduct, slightly abduct their hand. So we ask patient to abduct it. Right. Good. Now in grade 1 we just see the contraction. Now in grade